Welcome back to AutoCar, the channel where passion meets precision and the world's finest automotive machines come to life. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because today we're diving deep into something truly exhilarating. The new next generation 2026 BMW M4 Competition has just been officially unveiled, and it's everything performance enthusiasts have been waiting for, and more. The 2026 BMW M4 Competition represents the latest chapter in BMW's relentless pursuit of driving perfection. With each generation, BMW's M division manages to push boundaries even further, blending luxury technology and power into a single breathtaking package. And this new M4 Competition doesn't just evolve, it transforms what we expect from a high-performance coupe in the modern era. At first glance, the 26 BMW M4 Competition's design language immediately commands attention. BMW has refined the aggressive look introduced in the previous generation, giving it a sleeker, more sculpted identity. The signature kidney grille remains bold and vertical, but now features a more integrated aerodynamic shape with active air flaps that adjust automatically. To enhance cooling or reduce drag, the LED laser headlights have been slimmed down, giving the car a sharper, more predatory gaze. Every curve, every line, and every surface of this M4 has been optimized to slice through the air with surgical precision. From the side, the long flowing roofline and muscular haunches give it that unmistakable M presence. The carbon fiber roof mirror caps and rear diffuser not only reduce weight but also underline the performance DNA of the car. At the back, the quad exhaust tips have been redesigned with a new titanium finish, producing not just an aesthetic statement but a sound that sends chills down your spine. The LED taillights are now three-dimensional and feature a new pattern inspired by BMW's Vision M concept cars. The stance is wider, lower, and more planted than ever before, a visual promise of the raw power that lies underneath. Speaking of power, the heart of the new M4 Competition beats stronger than ever. Under the hood sits a heavily revised 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six engine codenamed S58 Evo. BMW engineers have extracted even more performance through improved turbo efficiency, revised air intake systems, and lightweight internals. The result: a staggering 550 horsepower and 680 Nm of torque, delivered with precision through BMW's 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission. The M4 Competition continues to offer the xDrive all-wheel drive system, but with enhanced rear bias and even quicker torque distribution. Drivers can still choose between 4WD, 4WD Sport, or pure 2WD modes for that classic rear-wheel driving experience. Auto 100 km/h now happens in just 3.2 seconds, making it one of the quickest cars in its class. Top speed is electronically limited to 250 km/h, but with the optional M Drivers package, that limit stretches to an exhilarating 290 km/h. But it's not just about straight-line speed. BMW has spent years perfecting the chassis balance and handling feel. The adaptive M suspension has been recalibrated, offering greater control and comfort in daily driving, while still providing razor-sharp responsiveness on track days. The M differential has also been optimized to deliver more precise traction, control, and cornering stability. Every steering input feels direct, every corner perfectly carved, reminding you that the M4 isn't just a car, it's a driver's instrument. Step inside the 2026 BMW M4 Competition, and you immediately realize this is a cockpit designed for both luxury and adrenaline. BMW's latest curved display dominates the dashboard, integrating a 14.9-inch infotainment system with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster under a single, sweeping piece of glass. The system runs on BMW's new iDrive 9 operating system, featuring faster responses, 5G connectivity, and an even more intuitive voice assistant. The graphics are stunning, and the interface can now be customized based on driving mode. Sport displays for track days and comfort layouts for everyday cruising. The M-specific seats are a true masterpiece. Lightweight, wrapped in a blend of merino leather and Alcantara, with integrated illuminated M logos. The carbon shell design offers exceptional lateral support while maintaining long-distance comfort. Ambient lighting, premium materials, and carbon fiber trim accents create an atmosphere that's both futuristic and distinctly BMW. The steering wheel, Slightly thicker and perfectly contoured, features new touch-sensitive controls and red M mode buttons that instantly unleash maximum performance settings. For the first time, BMW is offering an optional M Performance bucket seat package with heating, ventilation, and even a massage function, something unheard of in a high-performance coupe just a few years ago. Technology doesn't stop there. The M4 Competition also comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, and BMW's new highway assistant, capable of hands-free driving in certain conditions. But of course, the M4 remains a purist's machine. The focus is still on driver engagement, feedback, and emotion. BMW's engineers have refined the exhaust note to deliver a deeper, more resonant tone. The system now uses lightweight titanium components and electronically adjustable valves that can transform the car's sound from refined purr to roaring beast at the touch of a button. The 2026 M4 Competition also introduces a new track telemetry system. Through the iDrive screen or BMW's mobile app, drivers can record lap times, analyze G-forces, braking patterns, and even compare their performance data with others. This turns every drive into a chance to improve, to push boundaries, and to feel like a true racing driver. BMW has also made major strides in sustainability with this model. The 2026 M4 Competition uses more recycled materials in its construction, from interior plastics to aluminum body panels, without compromising performance. The manufacturing process has been optimized for lower emissions, and BMW's Munich plant, where the M4 is built, operates using 100% renewable energy. In terms of customization, the M4 Competition continues to be one of the most versatile performance coupes available. BMW's individual program allows buyers to choose from an extended range of bespoke colors, including new exclusive shades like Frozen Velocity Blue, Isle of Man Green Metallic, and the striking Fire Orange 2. Wheel options range from 19 to 21 inches, available in forged aluminum or lightweight carbon fiber, carbon ceramic brakes, M Performance aerodynamic kits, and even carbon fiber roof stripes can be added for an even more dramatic visual impact. Driving the new 2026 BMW M4 Competition is an experience that defies words. It's raw yet refined, fast yet composed, and thrilling yet intelligent. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or cruising down the highway, the M4 adapts to your every mood. The balance of precision engineering and emotional engagement is what sets it apart from its competitors. The M4 Competition has always been a symbol of BMW's motorsport legacy. Since its inception, it has carried forward the torch of the legendary M3 coupes that came before it, cars that defined what it meant to truly drive. This 2026 generation not only honors that heritage but also propels it into the future, embracing technology, efficiency, and innovation while never losing sight of what matters most: the connection between driver and machine. So what's the price for this masterpiece of engineering? BMW hasn't announced exact global pricing yet, but estimates suggest the M4 Competition will start around $90,000 in the US market, with fully loaded versions easily surpassing $110,000. For that price, you're not just buying a car, you're buying an experience, a statement, and a piece of performance history. And that's what makes the new 2026 BMW M4 Competition so special. It's a car that refuses to compromise, delivering thrilling power, breathtaking design, and cutting-edge technology in one perfectly balanced package. BMW has once again proven that the ultimate driving machine isn't just a slogan. It's a living, breathing reality, reborn in the form of the new M4 Competition. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the all-new BMW M4 Competition, don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow car enthusiasts, and let us know in the comments what you think about BMW's latest M creation. Would you choose this over its rivals like the Mercedes-AMG C63 or the Audi RS5? This is ORG AutoCar, bringing you the latest from the world of speed, luxury, and innovation. Stay tuned for more exclusive unveilings and deep dives into the cars that shape the future. Until next time, drive safe, stay passionate, and keep your eyes on the road ahead.